இந்த risk assess பண்ணும்போது பாத்தீங்கன்னா there can be a new set of opportunities could be opening up. நீங்க அதர் சைட பார்க்காத போது அதர் ஆப்பர்ச்சுனிட்டிஸ் நம்ம பார்க்கவே மாட்டோம். ஒரு பாசிபிலிட்டி பாத்தீங்கன்னா பாசிபிலிட்டிஸ் அவுட் ஆஃப் பாசிபிலிட்டிஸ் would be open up. புது பிசினஸ் மாடல் உருவாகலாம். நீங்க உங்க பேசினாங்க பாருங்க மார்க்கெட்டிங் ஸ்ட்ராட்டஜில நிறைய விஷயம் நீங்க ஓபன் ஆயிருக்கு பாருங்க. நிறைய விஷயங்கள் ஓபன் ஆகலாம் பாசிபிலிட்டி. அதை பேஸ் பண்ணி தான் ஆப்ஜெக்டிவ் செட் பண்ணணும். அதுதான் வருது 6.1 வந்து ரிஸ்க் அண்ட் ஆப்பர்ச்சுனிட்டி, 6.2 வந்து அப்ஜெக்டிவ்ஸ். கொஞ்சம் முன்னாடி சொன்னேன் இல்லையா, நீங்க என்ன பண்ணுவீங்களோ எது பண்ணுவீங்களோ தெரியாது, இது மீட் பண்ணி ஆகணும்னு. அதெல்லாம் கிடையாது. You have to assess your risk and opportunities. Based on that only you have to set the objectives. Okay. Then comes the carrying out the objectives. Then goes on to support. In the support la வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா human resource is coming into the picture. Then infrastructure is coming into the picture. The environment is coming into the picture. Then competency mapping. Competence, people competence, skill development, all those things are being told here. ஒரு ஆர்கனைசேஷன் வந்து சக்சஸ்ஃபுல்லா நடக்கணும் அப்படின்னு சொல்லியாச்சுன்னா what are all the things to be you have to take it into account and get that done. அதெல்லாம் அந்த உள்ள வருது competency mapping வருது. Then communication management வருது. communication பத்தி பேசுறாரு. communication is coming into the picture. Then comes the documentation. நம்ம கிட்ட வந்து இல்லாத ப்ராப்ளமே என்னன்னா டாக்குமெண்டேஷன். சார் நான் டெக்னிக்கலா நான் எது வேணாலும் போய் பண்ணிடுவேன் சார், பேப்பர் ஒர்க் மாத்திர முடியாது. அது பேப்பர் ஒர்க்னு சொல்லியாச்சுனாலே அது ஏதோ கிளரிக்கல் ஒர்க் மாதிரி போயிடுது. டாக்குமெண்டேஷன் லேக்கிங்னால தான் நம்மளால ஃபர்தரா இம்ப்ரூவ் பண்ண முடியல. Till where we have come, from here where to go. இது இல்லாத இருந்துட்டுன்னு சொல்லியாச்சுன்னா we will be continuously reinventing the wheel. இதான் ப்ராப்ளம். Then goes to the operation and detail already சொல்லிட்டேன். It starts from marketing to design development, procurement, production, quality. Then comes the performance evaluation. Whatever you have planned, whatever the objective has been set, objectives and target has been set, on that where we are, what is the gap, you need to redefine the targets. Then the improvement. அங்க இம்ப்ரூவ்மெண்ட்ல தான் நம்ம என்ன எங்கெங்கெல்லாம் கேப் இருக்குன்றத பார்த்து அதுக்கு கரெக்டிவ் ஆக்ஷன்லாம் எடுத்துட்டு பண்றோம். This is what it is. இப்போ இதோட அசோசியேட்டட் நம்ம நிறைய இது வச்சிருக்கோம் பாத்தீங்களா, நம்ம கம்பெனில ஜார்கன்ஸ் லீன் மேனுஃபேக்சரிங் அப்புறம் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் பேட்ச் லீன் மேனுஃபேக்சரிங் தான் இங்க லான்ச் பண்ணுவோம். இந்த கான்செப்ட் அத்தனையும் வந்து இந்த ஒரு செக்ஷன்லயும் இட் இஸ் ஆல் அட்ரஸ்ட். பிசினஸ் பிளானிங்ல இருந்து பாலிசி டிப்ளாய்மெண்ட்ல இருந்து இட் இஸ் ஆல்ரெடி highlighted all those. It is all there. It will be sent to you.
Tools and technology what we can use for that. Tools and technology what we can use for the particular.
Yeah, tools and technology. We know a lot of things. See, it is not an independent thing. You have to take support of lot more things. அதில் வரக்கூடிய அப்ரிவேஷன்ஸ் ஒத்தனை இருக்குல்ல. I will take 2 or 3 minutes more to explain a process. இப்போ நம்ம டெலிகேஷன் இல்லைன்னு சொன்னோம் இல்லையா கம்பெனி. Because of that only we are all lacking. In order to set the process, I just take some process approach alone. I will take some 2-3 minutes. With that we will conclude. Any process you take, there will be multiple input, conversion, there will be an output, using or consuming some resource in a controlled fashion. Okay. இது வந்து ப்ராசஸ் டர்ட்டில்னு சொல்லி IATF 16949 அந்த ப்ராசஸ் டர்ட்டில்னு ஒரு மாடல் யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம். இந்த மாடல் வந்து எந்த ஆர்கனைசேஷனா இருந்தாலும் சரி, எந்த மாதிரியான ப்ராசஸா இருந்தாலும் சரி, இந்த மாடல் நம்ம யூஸ் பண்ணிட்டோம்னாக்கா you can set that, you define that, you leave it. If it is not working, redefine it. You yourself don't get into the picture. So இது எப்படி பண்றோம் அப்படின்னு கேட்டாச்சுன்னா input, இதுக்கு வேண்டிய resources, we have to provide the resources. What are it is a totally materialistic resource. It can be a building, workspace, it can be computer, it can be ERP, it can be SAP. Physical resource, what tools and tactics which is actually required for executing this particular process. You put in whatever the process here. For that process, what are all the inputs required? For that, what are all the physical resources are required? Then comes the competency of people. What kind of people you need to select? for carrying out this process effectively. So this talks about who. This is what resource required. This is who. What kind of people required, competency. Then comes the how. What are the documentation required with respect to this particular process. Then you get completely documentation related. In addition to these things, there may be support process. There may be a training process. There may be a procurement process. All those things are a support process. With reference to this particular process, the other, in our terminology, we have talked about departments. இங்க வந்து ப்ராசஸ்னு பேசுறோம். நம்ம டிபார்ட்மெண்ட்ங்கிறத தூக்கிடணும். இப்போ நீங்க வந்து ஹியூமன் ரிசோர்ஸ் எடுத்துட்டீங்கன்னா அதில் வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ரெக்ரூட்மெண்ட் இருக்கு, பேரோல் இருக்கு, பீப்புள் டெவலப்மெண்ட் இருக்கு, எல்லாம் இருக்கு இல்லையா? ஒன்னொன்றுமே ப்ராசஸ். ஹியூமன் ரிசோர்ஸ் எடுத்துட்டாச்சுன்னா துறை, டிபார்ட்மெண்ட். In that there are a lot of process. So you have to define the process. Then once you have defined, you get the output. What are the measurables you will keep? This is nothing but the objective what you have set in the very first stage. Okay? What are the objectives you have set? To these objectives, you need to monitor by trends. You need to monitor by trends. Whatever the objective you set, month-wise, you have to make a trend. What you have planned to what you have achieved. It can be set for anything. If you go by this framework, you just set the process, watch whether the process is working for you or not. That way ISO 9001 will be working for you. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Ramawalan sir. It's a big topic. Deeper understanding is required. We will share all these PPTs, 4 PPTs to each one of you by email next couple of days time. With this, we have come to the end of the session. Thank you so much, and I would request 2 or 3 participants to come here and share your feedback about the session. This is the first time you have done, so we want to take your feedback and put it in our digital channels. Thank you.
Excuse me. Mic.
On the speakers, please.
Shanant. Mic.
Mic. Okay. Yeah, on the speakers. That's okay.
Good evening to all. Good evening to all. Thanks to MK Anand, Sea Change for bringing this wonderful session, masterminds for the entrepreneur, startup, and the existing business owners, how to develop everything. The topic that they have selected, starting from the project management to the digital marketing, to the quality, which is the need of the hour for all the 3 stakeholders of the startup, entrepreneur, and the business owner. Every topic is in ocean, but they given a wisdom of that topic. Why this wisdom of the speakers is the best takeaway for me as an individual. I thank Sea Change, Mr. Anand, Prakash, and his team done a humongous background. Within this short 2 hours time to deliver this was amazing. We like to see in future same speaker doing it up every topic. A full day session is most expected. Thanks once again. Thanks for the Andhra Chambers of Commerce bringing us together. Thank you very much.
Okay, maybe a time is a very good. Good evening to all. See, this session was made very clearly and good. And I was also sometimes wondered, there was a Deming is available for automobile industry and engine industry. Same way, if you look at for a software industry, Watts Ampere is there. You see the both difference between this. Deming has stated the basic principles under 14 points. What happened? Watts Ampere has taken his points and he has changed it. In industry, anybody will talk about quality, cost and delivery. The same thing, Watts has put it in a different way. He said cheaper and faster and cheaper, faster and what happened? He has put a verb first. In other case, we talk about quality, cost and delivery. That is not giving much impact or load. But when we talk about cheaper, faster and easier, it is giving verb and he is putting it. Now what has happened? He has also talked about agile. That gives some vibration when we talk about the word itself. Like this, all the four the topics, we talk about project management, which is our day-to-day life, to take quality function, it is our day-to-day life only. And then digital marketing, we are doing, but without knowing we are doing. We know what we are doing, but we don't know what we are doing. Actually, we are spending many times in our fund, but he is the one person who has kind. He has taken good money from that one. At least he has opened. And this marketing also, we understood many things. It's a very good thought and very good eye opening. In the during session itself, I said, it is a very good eye opening. We need to learn and then start practicing. It will give a benefit for everybody. Thank you very much.
One person. With this, we'll wind up. Sorry for delaying.
Good evening, everybody. My name is Balakraj. I'm representing an organization called UNAM, and we are in Enterprise IT Solutions. We are in Enterprise IT Solutions, and this is the first time I'm attending such a session. And this has been a great eye-opener in terms of codifying and putting into bullet points so many various activities which have been randomly exposed to and randomly being practiced in infrequent the way in which we generally go about our day-to-day lives. So these people have, all four of you, thanks to you, put into perspective what we are doing and how it should be focused, prioritized in such a way so that it can be applied from micro level onwards. Say from the example of domestic shopping onwards, how these things can be implemented in our day-to-day life from a micro level in a cost-effective and value-added way, so that it focuses on an expected outcome and improvement continuously with sustained growth. I thank Varana for having given me an opportunity to explain the lessons learned. Hopefully, I'll be implementing this to improve myself. Thank you.
So, with this, we have come to the end of the session. Thank you so much, and wish you all happy advance New Year, Pongal 2020, the whole year. And thank you very much, speakers, Mr. Elango, Mr. Rajesh, Sivaram, and Mr. Ramavallavan, and my partner and the chief, Mr. Prakash, and the entire team of C-Chain Consulting, all the participants, MC Mr. Joe as well. And take care, and we'll again meet in more often in various programs. The mastermind program we are planning to do at least, if not monthly, at least bi-monthly. And we'll be doing a lot of program workshops every month. In fact, next month we are doing one full day workshop Mr. Ramavallavan is going to do on FMEA on 25th of January. We will communicate to you. Thank you very much for your wonderful participation. Good night. Can we take one group photo quickly? Please come to the stage. Take one photo, all of us, if you don't mind. All of you, please come. All the speakers. We have to run fast. Over can stand. Speakers.
Come here, okay. So that coverage will be there.
பின்னால ரெண்டு பேர் தெரியல.
யார் ரெண்டு பேர்?
Come front.
My God, why are you making Mr. Raghunathan? I wanted to hide.
So he has brought you.
நீங்க வந்துருங்க நான் அப்படியே வந்து. பேக் சைடு. மேடம் கவரேஜ் ஆகுது. இந்த பக்கம் ரெண்டு பேர் இப்படி வந்து. கடைசி மூணு பேர்.
அப்படியே கொஞ்சம் பின்னால இருக்குங்களா?
கரெக்டா.
கரெக்ட்.
கரெக்டா.